Here's one we don't see every day at Unique Specialty and Classics. Love the looks of these cars. Great body style, 1966 Chevrolet Caprice 2-door hardtop. Era correct, 327 V8 power. That is paired up with a Power Glide automatic transmission, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. We also have some new components underneath the hood, and we're going to get into those in just a bit. First, let's take a look at this front bright work. Grille, headlight surrounds. Paint coat on this car is Y, so lemon wood yellow would have been the original color of this car. The paint on it does show its age some, and I'll try to point that out kind of as we go around the car. But as you can see, it has a nice shine to it, don't get me wrong. It's got a nice look. Be great for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Definitely turn some heads. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. If you're seeing this on YouTube, just click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. All right, take a look at the wheels. Beauty rings, tri-bar spinners, otherwise slotted wheels. Down here, some little spots like this where you see just kind of a little discoloration in the paint. I don't really see any corrosion around the wheel wells. And then you'll have a few spots where maybe just kind of some little nicks or a jerk ding, or maybe like this here where there's a little bit of touch up that's been done. So again, nothing crazy, just saying, hey, paint does show its age a little bit. Black vinyl interior, bench seat up front, very stock looking interior as far as the dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out in just a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear of the car. Be able to see in the trunk in the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We're also going to take this car for a drive down the road, show you how it drives out, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Dual exhaust, take a look at the chrome in the rear. You can see it looks like there was a little touch up here. The paint might be just a tad different as far as that shade of yellow. Just some little things like that, folks, I want to make you aware of. And again, take your time looking through those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're into these 60s muscle cars, maybe you like Caprice Classics, Caprices, Impala, Chevelles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. When these vehicles have the videos made, the videos are uploaded. They are available to purchase online or from our website. Right off our showroom floor, if we make it see us in person, and you can kind of see right along there a little bit of discoloring as far as in that paint. It's a little tough to get it to show up. I kind of want to point that out. And then a few touch-up spots along this door over here. All right, let's move on to the interior. Door panels look good. You'll be able to see a picture of the VIN tag as well as the data tag in with the still pictures. Headliner looks good. Rear seating areas and seat belts intact, as you can also see. I don't really see any rips and tears in the seating area. Kind of a cloth and vinyl combination. I have had the wipers working. Check out this, the old emergency warning flashers. Kind of cool. Still has a stock Delco radio in it. I have not had that working. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Remember, era correct, 327. Automatic transmission. And a good sounding 327 at that. Gotta like it. Top of the dash looks good. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Door closes nicely. rumble coming out of that one. All right, up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second so I can get this hood open. Remember, stick around to the very end of this. We're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. There it is. 327 V8. All right, now I mentioned some newer components underneath the hood. Master cylinder. Also some power steering hoses, as well as Edelbrock 4-barrel carb underneath there. Front drums were turned recently, so some brake work also done. There's a battery disconnect here also for in between drives, or maybe one that's in storage, but that is a smooth running 327. Look at that engine, it doesn't move. Nice and smooth. Heater hose is still hooked up. Cool body style, 1966 Chevrolet Caprice, 2-door hardtop. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Call us 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1966 Chevrolet Caprice in yellow. This is a 2-door automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Our speedometer is working. The fuel gauge is showing about a half a tank. I can hear our blinker working. Very nice throttle response from this car. Good acceleration. The wipers do function on this Caprice, as does the blower motor. Nice looking black bench seat in this car with cloth. Black interior continued, a nice headliner, good condition there. Dash also looking good. Factory horn working. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays right straight in the lane. That's a good alignment. The brakes are working well. A responsive steering as well. It's not loose in any way, nice and tight. Very nice driving, good condition. 1966 Chevrolet Caprice. Find out more about this car and take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.